Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and thanks for returning for another bargain bead box video for the month of January 2023. We have taken some time off over the holidays, so I believe the last video is a Christmas ornament video that is just beautiful. So I want to show you what I've been working on lately before we get to the bargain bead box. And before we get started, I just wanted to say Happy New Year. I hope you're having the start of a great new year. And we would like to thank you for tuning into our videos and taking your time out to watch them. We really appreciate that. So with further ado, I always start out my videos with showing you, as you can see I'm hiding it, what I've been working on over the holidays. And it is just a little bit of a different twist on a spiral. There you go. So you can see I have a spiral here with yellow, orange, and green in it, and silver accents here. So this is just gorgeous. And for this spiral, I used the 6mm bicone beads, and I incorporated some 4mm bicone beads in there. And I used 8/0 silver line beads, as you can see. Look at that sparkle. And I decided to do this with a toggle clasp because a magnetic clasp is not going to hold it. This came out pretty bulky, which I didn't expect because of the 6/0 beads. I mean, yeah, the 6mm beads. So this is what it looks like on. Very pretty. But the diameter of the bracelet is a little bulkier than I expected, but it's still pretty. Very pretty. And so I made a few of these, just kind of, testing it out. I mean, it's not my design. I just kind of found it on the internet and kind of, rework my, how I like it. So that is really pretty. Here's another one I did. Let's see here, right here. Let me get that out of the way. Now with this one, I used all 4mm bicone beads and 11/0 C beads, as you can see here. So it came out much less bulkier, as you can see. So I'm going to stick with this. So pretty. And I used a lobster claw clasp on here. But as you can see in this spiral, it looks like little squares. If you look really close, it looks like little squares rather than a spiral. So I like that. It's a different look. Really like how that turned out. I really like using the 4mm. It's just gorgeous. And then here's another one I made in all 4mm for Valentine's Day, all pink. Again with a toggle clasp on here. And again, if you look very close, it looks more like squares rather than a spiral. So I really like how this came out. So I'll have a video up on this one probably sometime this week, but it's just gorgeous. Very pretty. Okay, so that's what I've been working on. And also I did do a few Russian spirals for Christmas. This one here with a magnetic clasp, all 4mm, all 11/0 C beads. And if you're new to my channel, you will find this tutorial on my YouTube channel. Okay, here's another one. Okay, and another one. And the ornament tutorial I was mentioned few minutes ago. I'll show you some of those, how they look. Look at this. This is the icicle, Christmas icicle ornament. The video was already up there. These are just absolutely gorgeous. I hope you had a chance to make some. I plan on making these all throughout the year. They're very quick to make, and you can use whatever extra beads you have. Any leftover beads. You don't have to use crystals like I did. You can use, you know, any round beads that you have stored away, anything. And again, this is made with the 11 O's, and in the middle here are 8 O's. And I explained that all to you in the video. It's all there. These are just gorgeous. These are great for, you know, of course, Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, maybe a teacher's gift. These are just so gorgeous, especially if, you know, there's not a lot of money to go around, as you know, we're feeling in these years. These are just, they're just beautiful to make. They really are. I made some for my friends, gave them for gifts. So it's that one. Here's another beautiful one. Or it can be an earring. I don't know about that, but just gorgeous. That. And here's another color. And here's another color. So they're just gorgeous. It's really a fun video. They're quick to make, so definitely make some of these. Easy to put your little loop on. Very quick and easy. Okay, so I think that's all I wanted to show you. Anyway, so let's get on to the bargain bee box. It comes in this pretty navy organza bag for the month of January 2023, and let's see here. So the theme is Midnight Skies, and it's inspired by starry winter nights. This eclectic palette mixes a variety of blues with a subtle glow of labradorite, and it is has electroplated agate, check glass stars, crystal accents, bold glass barrel beads combined with a set of high-quality stainless steel and pewter findings in classic celestial shapes to complete the collection. Okay, and if you subscribe to the Bargain Bee Box, you will get a 30% off coupon code to use at their sister site, the beadboxbargains.com. Also, they have a monthly contest where you can enter what you make to win a gift card. I believe a $50 gift card to the Bead Box Bargains. And they also have a new Facebook group. So I don't give you that information in your subscription. And I think that's it. And the monthly subscription, I believe, is still $19.49, I believe. And it's a great bargain for what you get. It really is. So there are 18 pieces in this month, and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go with number 1 here, and I'm not even going to open this up. Number 1 is a 3mm steel Rollo jewelry chain, as you can see here. So we're not going to open that up. We all know what chain looks like, and let me get in here a little closer. Number 2 is a 40-piece 7.5mm star bead caps. Let's see here what we got. Let me get it a little closer. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so those are your bead caps there. Number 3 is 2-piece 23mm stainless steel moon cutout coin pendants. And these are pretty. And they are the same on both sides. Number 4 is 5-piece 11.5 mil starburst pattern glass cylinder beads. And these are super pretty. So basically like barrel beads. Number 5 is a 10-piece 15.5 by 20 mil round moon and star links. There you go. These are cute. Number 6 is 10-piece 8 mil frosted pressed glass star beads with an AB finish, crystal AB. These are really cute. They kind of like have that glow effect. And what do we have here? 3 sets 18 by 25 mil rounded square toggle clasp. And here's what they look like. And 8 is 10-inch strand of 6 mil English cut crystal beads in steel blue. And these are super sparkly. Look at that. Love these. Number 9. 10-piece strand 10 mil moonstone. Glass round beads in soft blue. And they are pretty. Pretty, pretty. And 10, we have a 10 gram bag of 5 mil star spacer beads. So I'm not going to open those. 11, 4-piece 12 mil stainless steel crescent moon cutout round links. And here they are. And that is 12. Uh, 12 is 7.5 inch strand of 8 mil druzy agate electroplated round beads. These are really pretty. A pretty deep blue, deep midnight blue. And 13, approximately 8-inch strand, 8 by 6 mil crystal rondelle beads in deep blue mix. Oops. There you go, more sparkle. So you have a little bit of green in here, like emerald green, light blue, a medium blue, and your crystal clear in there. Okay, 14. 14 is 38 by 30 mil antique silver brass crescent pendant with Labradorite oval. Whoops, let's see here. And there we go. It's pretty. Okay, you have your bail already on here. 15. So 15 is a 22 mil curved forest moon link, pewter plated in fine silver. It's the back. Here is the front. And 16 is a 7.5 inch strand, 4 mil labradorite faceted round beads. And 17. 17 is 5 inch strand, labradorite large chip beads. There we go. So the labradorite is with the blue is definitely going to give it that icicle effect, the wintry effect. It's pretty. And the last one, 18. 20 piece 6 mil check press glass stars, crystal steel blue luster. And there we go. It's really pretty. Okay. Well, that is it. That's it for this month's January 2023 Bargain Bee Box. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you're new here. And check out our stores. We have the beadedjewelstore.com, we have the Poshmark, we have Etsy, and there's our email if you have any questions. Okay, so thanks again. I'm going to put these up here. Look how pretty they are together. My goodness, that's a lot of sparkle. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.